6-hour drive. Let's get to it. They opened at about 9, so this should put me there right on time. After a couple fuel stops. I might film a little bit of stuff on the way there. Who knows? I don't know. Where we going? Let's go. Oh shit, almost got rear-ended. My bad. Well. Somebody done fucked up. We are at a standstill. It's always something, man. It's always something. Still sitting. Fucking lovely. What happened? Semi? I can't see blood clotting. Ooh. You got double. You got pumped in the booty. Ooh, God damn. Jesus. Well, that would explain why it took so long. How do you get rear-ended? There was nobody else out here. God damn. Man, what you thought? You thought I was playing? Y'all thought I was playing, huh? Current situation, people are pulling over because they're scared of the rain. Okay. More dangerous to pull off the shoulder, but I'm getting there. But I gotta stop because I'm about to run out of fuel. So chugging along. Cutting it close here, boys. So we heading to Buc-ee's. If you know, you know. I'm not gonna film because I could be in there all day filming it. But I'm going to Buc-ee's. Alright guys, if you've never seen the inside of a Buc-ee's, it's pretty much like a goddamn Walmart. You can buy everything you want, but this is about all I'm gonna show. Get dizzy. Alright guys, we have made it to Atlanta at the worst time because of that 2-hour delay. Put me in Atlanta right during goddamn rush hour traffic. So lovely. But we're almost to CoreWorks, so I'll get back to it as soon as I pull up. Getting ready to pull up. CoreWorks. Made it. I just need to turn it. Here we are. Back inside CoreWorks. You guys have already seen all this cool stuff before, but for those who probably didn't feel like watching the long video, here's the shortened one. the sickest little showroom, I guess you want to call it. And I'll be showing you while I'm here to begin with. You see what the boys got. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We back again with Adam.
Ohio gozaimasu.
What's
going on?
Mr. FC. Where are your cars at?
My car's inside the shop right now. About to go rip Friday at the local track.
Was that what's the track? Blend?
Raceplex. Yeah, it's owned by like Captain and Octane and all of them.
Might have to try that one day.
Yeah, it's just like a little circle track, but it's fun. Like they do different layouts every week, so
it's cheap too. It's like 75, 80 a car.
Yeah, $100 to go drive.
Damn, that's mad cheap.
Easy.
For some.
Ladies drive all night.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good local track.
So what do we got here, Adam?
We have the Origin kit for your X100. I was really surprised how light it was actually.
Is it?
It was like, yeah, it's like super light. Because normally, like the Vienna stuff's a little bit heavier.
The lighter than carbon fiber?
I would say that, but it's still pretty light. I was surprised. And you don't really see so many people rock this kit. Like everybody's stuck on the race line.
They are.
Right now. So
They are.
Thank you for switching it up.
Yeah, I thought I'd change it up a bit. It's like
Funny, I realized the picture that we have on the website is my buddy's car in Canada. I didn't even know that.
The
He's
white
like,
one,
That's
right?
my car. I was like,
Nice.
what? Well, I don't know. He's like, yeah, man, that's why I had the old wheels on it.
Nice.
That's my driveway. I was like, shoot.
So.
I didn't know you had one of those.
Yeah, man, I just picked it up. Yeah, man.
What color is it?
White.
Oh, wow.
So, I'm still not sure what color I'm going to paint it yet, but yeah, I figured I might as well give me a reason to come back up here because I think this, if I'm not mistaken, this might be the last one left in the United States. This kit?
I didn't see any in their stocking.
Probably more than likely, yeah. I would say more.
You gotta make another one.
Yeah, until their next container comes in.
Orders
Right, so this is the last one in the United States, guys.
Straight from Osaka.
Right.
From Kazuyabai.
Hell yeah.
Kazuyabai will be at Final Bout 6 if you guys want to meet him.
You heard it here first, guys.
Wisconsin. As T-Pain says it.
US, what's the US Airway?
Yes.
I want to drive that track so bad, man. Shawano.
Population, like, I think it's 2,800 people. It's not that many people. They have Amish people with like horse and buggies and stuff.
Small town.
Beautiful place though.
I know they love it when you guys come into town, man. Stimulate the economy.
Yeah. It's the only action they have. Like, oh, we love when you guys come, and the auto parts store guy will buy more parts and stock up for people.
Makes sense.
They love it. Yeah.
All right, well, there's the kit. We're gonna go inside and I'm gonna find some more stuff to buy. So
We can help with that.
that's why you guys are the best.
Yeah, last time I apologized about that. I think the next day it was the shift knobs were for sale. I didn't know they're dropping the next.
Well, I guess I might.
I was like, dude,
and I do
just
need a shift knob. So
you guys like, yeah, okay. I was like, I didn't know that. Really
real convenient. We're gone, and all of a sudden they're for sale now. So let me go see what parts I can buy, and I'll show you guys what I end up getting.
Cool, man. We love when you come here. Yeah, love the truck.
Hell yeah. Picking up some.
Oh, and wow, chill.
Fresh new handbrakes, just dropping soon, right?
Yeah, here they are.
Picking them up before they are on the market.
We just added the bicycle handles, the
Yeah,
better ones. Because we had some other ones on here.
I remember the other grip you had before.
But they showed like dirt and stuff over time.
Right.
And this is easy to clean.
Makes sense. So
Great.
be picking up some of these for me and Jonathan. So
Yeah, he wanted. I know he also wanted black, so I have a black one here.
Yeah.
And I think he also wanted.
he wants black and purple.
Here we go. Okay, so
And then I'll get a teal one because I just like teal.
get a handle on here.
So but yeah, shop still looks the same. Still got the dope rig. Sick car. I don't think I saw the Hakoska last time I was here. I don't think it was here.
Yeah, I think you're right.
Still got the sick wheel.
Wait.
It wasn't here. No, it wasn't. It wasn't here. It was the R33 was here over there. The
Everything
mini
else could have
truck.
been here.
Yeah, the Costco wasn't here. The V8.
Oh, that's
Car.
still here. Yeah, that's still here. We pushed
The
it outside.
633. Sexy. Sebastian, how you doing, brother?
We'll see that Saturday.
Good morning. Good morning.
Oh, sorry, I'm listening to music. I can't.
I can't even see him. Yeah, you can't even see him.
Sexy at Costco, guys. This one got the RB26 in it.
No. It's got an L series.
Keeping it old school. Still just as sexy.
Carbureted.
But this thing sounds sick.
Yeah, it really does. It sounds amazing.
The Skyline has got my approval. Except for the Ken Mary. I'm a little on the fence about those, but
You just don't see those
no, you don't.
at all.
Probably for a reason.
Even the non-GTR ones, you just don't see them.
Sexy. But yeah, just a quick run through because I'll spend way too much time in here. So, quick run through. Sexy toolboxes, as always. I know I'm spinning fast. Sexy Silk Coupe. One of the cleanest, hands down. Got the other. I think this was got the crazy V8 14.
It's hard to get these on.
Yeah, but well, you have water, you got soap. You could probably get it on there and twist it on there easily.
I got the other one on. It went right on. I got some like other things, you know.
Got some cool brake master reservoir cap covers, all sorts. Got spin knobs, stock hand brakes. Showed you the wheel. We picked up the steering wheel last time. Got this PS2, maybe?
Yeah.
Old school,
Playing
man.
D1 Grand Prix on it.
That's gangster. Got the caps. So,
And there's another TV up there. We play movies on TV on the other side of the shop. You can watch a movie.
all VHS tapes. Got the sick banners.
I'll get the Vaseline in.
Yeah, get the Vaseline.
I'm serious.
Actually, I don't think the last time I was able to get underneath the hood of that one because it was up on the lift. Because I know it had the crazy one in the corner.
Oh, the unpainted one?
Yeah.
You're right. It wasn't one. Yeah.
I think it's got was it the 2.2 SR in it?
Yes.
Yeah, it's sexy. I have to show you guys
it
it.
wasn't yeah, you're
Sick
right.
SR valve cover or coil pack covers. Oh yeah.
It's already, it just needs to be dynoed. That's it.
Beautiful.
Because we were fat up with the turbo because it was Ford Warner setup. Now it's in G series. I forgot the size.
Maybe a 550?
Maybe.
Probably. This thing is gonna be freaking sick. You guys gonna come up with a baby one?
Oh, the Woolwood cap ones fit those.
Do they?
Yeah, somebody showed us on an email list. They tried it out.
I did not
Fits.
know that.
Yeah.
Yeah, this thing is sexy, guys.
So that's the 51 millimeter, I believe. Fits that.
So if you want one, and this is what it looks like on the
That's the 58.
this is the OEM master.
Yeah, it still is.
So they have them all, guys. Sexy car.
Yeah,
Coupes overall.
And the fittings and everything are really nice.
Oh damn. Style, man.
Oh, one more little
Engine
bonus thing
ones.
that you don't really see, the GP Sports.
Oh, the
Dipstick caps.
dipstick caps. Keeps it because you know if you got an SR, that bitch is blowing out at That's sick. Yeah, it all makes a difference, man. All the little the fittings, the color matching and all that.
Yeah, they really do.
It works. So, sexy, sexy car. It's a reflection. Quick inside. Ready to boogie. Is he going for, you know how much power he's going for? Right, like 400 or 500?
Probably in the full range.
Yeah. Sick.
He mainly just wants to rev it out.
9,000 RPMs?
Yeah, that's what he wants really. That's like his only main goal. to really do that. Michigan, 9,000.
Revs at 9,000. All right, I'm gonna let him get to work. I'm gonna stop distracting him. Couldn't figure out which ones I like best. So I just decided I'm just gonna get them both. They're both sick, and then maybe I could mismatch them if I want to. So they have these for the 1JZ VVTi specifically, so you know I'm gotta get one of those. And they also have the radiator stays for the JZX. So definitely gotta get those. And I'll even get a spin knob, even though I'm getting the hydro, because I just think the cap looks dope. And then I gotta get some more of these. Take my money.
All right, just want to make sure we got everything. Oh, wait, hold on, look at that coming in. It's got freaking. You see
Is that a PT Cruiser?
But you see the wheels on there though? It has like soft
Come
wheels
on.
on it.
Come
like
on.
high wheels.
That is
I
gangster.
didn't mean to rough, but that was just like so random. You know, like I like seeing weird cars like that.
Imagine if it was boosted and had a big ass front mount. Because some of them do come
Yeah,
boosted.
some of them come with the SRT4.
Yeah,
That doesn't look like
that's
that. I would make that. No, sorry, back on track.
back on
Like a
track.
dog here. Squirrel! So we have a total of 15 items. I'll go through each one to make sure we're all correct here. We got your teal JZX100 coil cover.
check,
An extra Willwood, I had the box here, it's not anymore. Extra Willwood Master.
check,
A Cobra Works Hydro with the Willwood Master in teal.
check,
You have a 51mm teal Willwood cover.
check,
You have your Garage Move Power mats, full set. They're below those.
check.
Right on top of those, you have a combo of the Moon Rock face and the HKS livery ones for the rear. Got those on there.
Yep.
And let's see here, I have 2 teal shift knobs right
Yep.
there. And let's see here. That's the cover I already read off. Next on there is the JZ engine hoist, which is a great cast for you right here. We'll see those extra bolts.
Check.
We have every single Nobody flag. One extra right here.
Everyone.
And that was it.
All right, that's everything. Grand total, y'all won't know.
Yeah. Privacy here.
Even the restroom is freaking sick. They definitely know how to decorate, that's for sure. Sick. Everything is all loaded up. All the goodies. JZX kit, covered and ready to go. Just gonna go say bye to Adam and shoot back down to Florida. Gotta say bye to the homies, Adam, Gray. Next time I want to see some drifting when I come here, guys. Gotta get
Hey, are you in town till Friday?
this Friday.
This Friday?
No, I gotta go back and get the race car ready.
You're just gonna go linear?
Yeah, because I'll be driving linear next this Friday.
But I'll see some clips on the gram.
Yeah.
Snap them.
But see some cars.
Got a long drive back. I love coming here. And I'm sure we'll be back soon. So,
Yeah, this ain't Japan. Jamatane. We'll see you again.
peace, guys.